Once to the Florida River. The last parties to first item. The jurors have a question.
Question.
Yes, if you would move the team, thank you.
Pizza just arrived, guys. Hang on, let me grab it. Right on time.
Be seated. I see that all 6 members of the jury have returned. Thank you again for your time and patience today. And the jurors had a question. The question is, once a decision is made, do we still need to complete both forms? The answer is yes. All right. Please take the jurors out for deliberation. Thank you.
They have a verdict, y'all. I forgot it was only 6 of them. Oh my God. Okay, okay. She looks
The court will
nervous.
submit the question to Madam Clerk for file. Thank you, Madam Clerk.
She knows what it's gonna be. Quit playing that, girl. You could lie to everybody else. You could even lie to yourself.
All right, if there's nothing further, then we'll adjourn. Thank you, sir.
Go on and mean mug somebody now, Heifer. You see the little smile on the district attorney's face? They're like, let's just check these boxes real quick. Send this trollop on. Ooh. These peppers are spicy. Okay. I give it 15 minutes, maybe 20. The town bicycle's going down, y'all. Hang on. Oh. The town bicycle about to retire. Once upon a time, everybody got a ride. Now, not so much. I wonder if they will lock her up immediately. Okay, so what happened? the jury had a question, and the question was, once we have a verdict, do we have to fill out the rest of these papers? So yeah, the Trollop Express is coming to jail. I mean, I don't, mm, I don't know that. Listen, while I eat my pizza, because I do need a little bit of a break, I'm gonna keep one eyeball on court TV, on not court TV, Law and Crime. Hang on, let me pull up Law and Crime on my phone so I can see this verdict come in. Wait, is Law and Crime running behind? Why are they back in? Oh, okay. What I'm seeing on my computer and what I'm seeing on my TV are two different things. I'm not sure which one is right. Oh, Brandi says verdicts. They're back. They are back. Okay, excellent. I'm not sharing my screen. Dang.
I did receive a note from the jury, and the note says the jury has reached a verdict. Is there anyone wish to view the note?
That's fine.
Say,
I'm sorry, what
if you wish to view the note,
oh, no, sorry.
I will file the note with Madam Clerk. Parties,
Yes, sir.
please bring the jurors in. Thank you.
Bring the jury. Right, well, I'm enjoying a good papadilla too. Miss Kitty, girl, I don't think you have to worry. She's not even looking at her boyfriend, at her lawyer. Her back looks defeated to me, but I don't know. Mm. You're welcome, Jennifer. It was my pleasure.
Seated, I said all 6 members of the jury have returned. And who is the fourth person? Please stand and state your full legal name. Okay. Has the jury reached a verdict? Is it unanimous? Please hand the verdict forms to Madam Baylor.
See if I can boost the volume.
Thank you. All right, after having reviewed both verdict forms, the court finds that there are no errors or omissions in the filling out of the verdict forms. Madam Clerk, please publish the verdict.
In the Circuit Court of the Fifth Judicial Circuit of the State of Florida in and for Lake County. The State of Florida versus Laurie, case number 2020 CF 2361. Verdict as to count 1. We, the jury, find as follows as to count 1 of the charge. The defendant is guilty of second-degree murder. Was defendant in actual possession of a firearm? Yes. Did the defendant discharge a firearm? Yes. Did the discharge cause great bodily harm? Yes. So say we all, dated this 13th day of September 2024. Mercy Langley, foreperson. Verdict as to count 2. We, the jury, find as follows as to count 2 of the charge. The defendant is not guilty. So say we all, dated this 13th day of September 2024. Mercy Langley, foreperson.
Does counsel for either the state or the defendant wish to have the jury polled?
Defense does, Judge.
All right, Madam Clerk, please poll each jury.
Got her whole government name out here.
Angela
Oh
Echevarria.
God.
Is this your true verdict?
Hang on.
Michael, is this your true verdict? Mercy Langley, is this your
Jesus
true
Christ. And it's
Michael Smithson, is this your true verdict? Keith Berger, is this your true verdict?
okay. I've turned down the volume
Is this your true verdict?
to keep some sort of privacy for these poor people. Their whole name just be out here in these streets.
Of this case, I also wish to advise you of some very special privileges enjoyed by jurors. No juror can ever be required to talk about the discussions that occurred in the jury room, except
Okay.
by court order. For many
what do we
centuries,
think?
our society has relied upon juries for consideration of difficult cases. We have recognized for hundreds of years that a jury's deliberations, discussions, and votes should remain their private affair as long as they wish it. Therefore, the law gives you a unique privilege not to speak about the jury's work. Although you are at liberty to speak with anyone about your deliberations, you are also at liberty to refuse to speak to anyone. A request to discuss either your verdict or your deliberations may come from those who are simply curious, from those who might seek to find fault with you, from the media, from your attorneys, or elsewhere. From the attorneys or elsewhere, it will be up to you to decide whether to preserve your privacy as a juror. Thank you so much for your time and attention and patience this week. Our system of justice would not work without good people such as yourselves. You are excused from further jury service. Thank you and have a nice night.
Let's see if the fake tears are going to show up. Wait, she's trembling a little bit. That's tears, probably. Only for herself, though. Not for Mike. Go on, cry in the back, girl. Go on, cry in the back. Mm-hmm.
All right, Mr. Wiggs, please present your client for sentencing.
This is.
They are not
Judge, at
playing.
this time, we've been obviously for attendance spoken for superseding bond. Review our motions for judgment of acquittal, notwithstanding the verdict, all previous grounds stated and asserted.
The motion for supersedious bond is denied, and the motion for judgment of acquittal is respectfully denied.
Yes.
Is your client, Ms. Shaver entitled to a PSI? Okay. All right, Ms. Shaver, please stand. Based on the
have to
verdict
right
of the
now?
jury finding you guilty of the offense of murder in the second degree with a firearm, as charged in the information filed against you in criminal case number 20 CF 2361, this court does hereby adjudicate you guilty of that offense and remand you to the custody of the sheriff pending receipt by the court of a pre-sentence investigation report by the Florida Parole and Probation Commission. You will be remanded now to the Lake County Jail. Set a sentencing date, Madam Clerk. Let's see, it's 50 days out. Okay. Well, no, I think she left. Yes, ma'am. What's the? Princeton DNA will be ordered.
Wow.
All right, November 25th, at what time? 9?
Probably time,
9 o'clock. November 25th at 9 a.m. will be sentencing. Tentatively, pending the receipt of the PSI. Is there anything further from the defense?
Yes, sir.
Anything further from the state?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we are adjourned. Thank you, everyone.
She's not stalking nobody now. Bye. Oh, now we can call her a trollop openly because she's not the accused. She's the convicted, adjudicated guilty. Doing her fingerprints. I'm just waiting for a hot mic moment. Clink, clink, heifer. Clink, clink. Thank you, jury. Mike's family has waited a lot of years for justice. And Travis's family, I'm sure, has waited a lot of years to get him back. Hopefully, they doing a search right there in the courtroom. They're like, please squat Cough, ma'am. Please squat and cough. Okay. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. We about to do a full body cavity search right here on the law and crime. I might have to avert my eyes. Okay. Bye, town bicycle. Looking at her tongue. They gonna start making her lift up boobies in a minute. What? Mm-mm. The trampoline been bounced. Lord. Yo. What is a PSI? A PSI is a pre-sentencing investigation. Girl, them long nails. Mm-mm. You done with long nails. You done with long nails. A PSI is a pre-sentencing investigation that helps them determine what the best fit for you is for prison, how long you should go to prison, blah, 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 because there's a sentencing range. It's not just, I mean, in some cases, I guess there's a mandatory sentence, but in a lot of cases, there's a sentencing range. And based on your criminal history and other things, the PSI can help the judge determine how long you should be locked up for. And in some cases where you will be housed, what your needs are. For example, if you have a mental health need, they might put you someplace where you can get those needs addressed, etc. Going to Gym Pop, where she will not be very popular. Or she might be. She will blend. Go on, cry. Get them extra large scrubs. Mm-mm. Thank you, Chrissy Bacon. You guys were very sweet to me today. I stumbled through the morning, but we made it. Y'all have been here all day. Oh, and somebody sent me a Cash App. I saw it come in and then I got busy with other stuff. Thank you so much for the Cash App. Well, I'm not gonna be out here giving people's government names. But Miss Light, you are a ray of sunshine. I saw your Cash App and thank you so much. Fine friends, it has been a pleasure, my extreme pleasure to work this hard for you today. I am a delicate flower, and it is not my custom to spend 12 hours just sitting here talking to people. But for my girl Brandi, I'm happy to do it. You can find me on my channel, which is Gossip, Rumor, and Innuendo, every weekday morning, where I am breaking down all the latest true crime gossip. This case wrapped up today, so I will have a summary of today's court shenanigans first thing on Monday morning, usually around 6 a.m. it posts. A quick 20-minute recap of all your favorite true crime. And then I have a second channel called Confessions of a Neighborhood Gossip, which is just me telling 100% true stories, slightly fictionalized, to protect the guilty. But you ain't heard none of that from me. All right, friends, it has been so, so lovely. I am about to go see my family. Mwah. Wait, let me make sure there's no questions, no starred posts. I have to. Trollop time in jail. No lies detected, friend. No lies detected. All right. You guys have been really, really wonderful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Much love to Brandi for letting me do this. It's been my extreme pleasure. And now I'm going to go be a bum and just kick my feet up and do nothing. Have a good night.